Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Babi from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles up, leaving a gap in the middle. And now from the top, let's curve it out. Now underneath, towards the inside, let's draw a circular curve. And let's add a small circle on the top left. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. And color both of these pupils in black. Now top to the ends, and let's draw another curve down and in underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. And then bring it up from the center and curve it back down. Now top out next to each of the eyebrows, and let's draw a point down and up like this. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's curve it out and bring it into the center for the chin. Now top inside, and let's draw a curve in the middle for the nose. And now underneath, let's draw the mouth. We'll start with a curve across. And a small line on both sides. And let's add one more curve underneath. Now on top of the mouth on both sides, let's draw a few lines like this. Now top down to the chin, and let's draw a line up in the center and a few more on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the ears. Let's start with a curve out and back in on both sides like this. And then inside, let's draw a curve down with a bump at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now we're going to hop up and draw the hair. Let's start on top, and let's draw 2 curves up, leaving a gap in the middle. And then let's bring it down on top of each ear with a wavy line. Now top back on top, and let's draw a V shape. And then another wavy line down to close off each side. Now underneath, let's draw the hairline by drawing a small V and a zigzag line on both sides. And then let's add a curve going out on both sides. Now top up to the top, and let's draw a curve over to the left and back down in the middle. Now from both ends, let's curve it up and out. Bring it down. Then from the ends, let's curve it down with a wavy line. And curve it back in at the bottom. Now top down under the ears, and let's draw a piece down and up. Another wavy line in. And curve it up at the ends. And then let's add one more V-shaped piece on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head, and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Now let's hop inside, and let's draw a curve across for the top of the t-shirt. Now from both ends, let's bring it down for the sides of the jacket. Now we're going to hop out, and let's draw another line down on the sides. And a curve to close off each side. Now let's hop in, and let's draw some details on the jacket. At the top, let's draw a point down and in. Then another small angle out. And angle it back into the center. Now underneath on the left, let's draw 2 circles for the buttons. And then on the right side, let's draw 2 lines. Now let's hop into the center, and let's draw a curve across at the bottom here. And in the middle, we're going to draw his badge by drawing 2 angles meeting at a point from the top. And now underneath, let's draw a rectangle shape. Next, inside the rectangle, let's draw a line across at the top and another one at the bottom. And now in the top section, let's write the word VIP. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start at the shoulders, and let's angle it down and out on both sides. And then let's hop in, and let's draw another angle underneath. And close off the end of each sleeve with the curve across. Now underneath, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a curve down and back up on the inside here for the thumbs. And then next to it, a curve out. Now let's hop out, and let's draw an angle down from the sleeves. And curve it back in and up to close off the hands. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move in, and let's draw the pants. Let's start underneath in the center, and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right side. And then let's draw 2 angles down underneath. Now we're going to hop out, and let's do the same thing for the sides of the pants. And let's close off each one at the bottom. Now underneath for the shoes, let's draw 2 angles down and in. And add a line across. Now from both sides, let's draw 2 angles down and then a curve across at the bottom. Now to add the soles of the shoes, let's draw 2 lines down and again close it off at the bottom. Now top and side, and let's draw some details on the shoes. At the bottom, let's draw a curve up. And then on top, let's draw 2 lines down in the center. And some lines across for the shoelaces. And that's it for Babi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!